Okay, so let me start with a blank screen of Google Colab. I have already explained you Google Colab notebook, and I have now created a new notebook with the name Colab AI Features. Okay, so we'll learn in this video that how the Google Gemini is connected to Google Colab, and we can write codes directly using Google Gemini into Google Colab, which is for writing my code like Python code. I'll introduce a new code cell. I can use the generate link given in the code cell, or I can use the toggle Gemini window. So here the Gemini window has come. I wanted to have a Python code. So write a Python code to collect my name and then print the name I give you. This is a very basic code. Let me see how it writes this code. I'll send this. So it is trying to develop that code for me, and soon a Gemini based cell has come where it has given please enter your name and print a string type of thing hello, and this name variable can be given in curly braces, so this will get printed. Let us try this code. Okay, so first time it takes little bit time because it is actually so many people are working here. So let this code run. I'll explain that. So enter your name. So I have let me enter my name Sunil and then press enter. So hello Sunil has come because this variable prints after this hello string. Is a part of this name becomes a part of this string. Now actually this still is a little advanced code because this f string is being used. Let me delete this. Okay, give this code again. Let us see and write in a way we do it in traditional Python, the most simplest way to understand. Okay, then let me see if it writes a simple code. So it is working. I am sure that should write the code I am desiring. Yes, it has written my name as an input string I have given, and then hello plus my name plus exclamation character. Let me run this. I can type my name here. This is much simpler to understand. Just a input collection as a string into my name variable, then hello string, then a string concatenation using plus operator, then my name variable directly put here. Earlier I was using f string, and the concatenation character again with the exclamation character. So hello Sunil it has printed. Now you can see how simple this code is, but let me use this to explain this code to me. So here I can use this to explain code. Let us see how it explains. Please explain this code to me. So it says that how it does. My name input is used to input function, display the message what is your name, and then print function. Then to display a greeting it concatenates, joins these strings. So all that explanation is come. So let me accept this. Okay. So this is a good enough explanation. This is how we are trying to use Google Gemini to create the code by itself. I did not write any code by myself. I tried to give command. So actually I am using vibe coding. Vibe coding means without writing my code, I can still generate a code. So I hope you can write more such codes. Let me write one more code for you. Build a simple code to add value of two integers and then print the sum. Keep the code really simple for a beginner. Let us try this. I hope this will give another code. I am just writing English. So number 1 is equal to 10, number 2 is equal to 25, sum of numbers is equal to number 1 plus number 2. It is printing the sum of two numbers is sum of numbers. Such a direct and decent code, so it is 35. If I want, I can change these values. 20, maybe 35. Let us see if it runs again. Yes, it runs again. The number is now 55. I can get explanation here, explain code. So it is working again to write the explanation of this code. I am sure Gemini will bring out some good output. So this is number 1, number 35, sum of numbers, and how this sum has come. Then it is again printing these things. So I can understand this code well. In fact, when you learn this properly, myself will be replaced. You are getting a complete knowledge about the coding here itself. And you can ask Google or Google Gemini to help you with the coding. If you want to remove this window, simply toggle Gemini. This window is gone. You are only seeing this code. And it is still perfectly runnable code. You can use this as your window. I hope you are clear about this session, that how Colab AI features are used. Using this toggle Gemini, understanding this, writing your prompt here, and then getting the desired code. This is a perfect Python code, which it can give a very long code also. Please do try. Thank you.